future of luxury travel is here. The 2026 Insane Upcoming Motorhome. Welcome back to this luxurious motorhomes YouTube channel. Before we start today's video, I kindly request you to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on the most exciting updates in the world of luxury motorhomes. Now let's dive right into this masterpiece. The 2026 Insane Upcoming Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a moving palace on wheels. From the very first glance, you can see how breathtaking it is. The exterior shines with a metallic gold and silver finish that reflects the sunlight like a jewel on the road. Its aerodynamic lines are sleek and futuristic, giving it the look of something designed not just for today, but for the next generation of travelers. The double-decker design with the illusion of a third level makes it stand out instantly. It's bold, it's extravagant, and it's built to impress anyone who lays eyes on it. The design language is a perfect balance between elegance and innovation. The panoramic windows on the lower deck allow natural light to flood the interior, while the upper deck with its open lounge area creates a sense of freedom and exclusivity. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of lifestyle, a declaration that travel can be as luxurious as living in a five-star resort. But of course, the real magic begins when we step inside. And let me tell you, you don't want to skip this part, because the interior is where the Insane Motorhome truly lives up to its name. Let's start with the TV lounge. Imagine walking into a space where staircases descend gracefully from both sides, leading you into a central lounge that feels like the heart of the motorhome. Right in the middle, a massive LED TV is mounted, proudly displaying the Insane Motorhome logo. Around it, you'll find plush modern sofas, stylish coffee tables, ambient lighting, and every detail you'd expect from a luxury entertainment space. It's not just a lounge, it's a cinematic experience on wheels, designed so you can relax, watch, and entertain in style while the world passes by outside. Now, let's move into the bedroom. And here, I want to set the mood. Picture a romantic, luxurious suite that feels tailor-made for newlyweds or couples who want to celebrate life on the road. A king-size bed with elegant bedding, soft lighting that creates a warm glow, and curtains that add a touch of intimacy. The staircase nearby adds a sense of grandeur, reminding you that this is not just a room, it's part of a multi-level palace. And of course, the Insane Motorhome logo is tastefully placed, reminding you that this bedroom belongs uniquely to this vehicle. For couples, this is more than a bedroom. It's a romantic getaway, a place where memories are made under the stars while parked in the most beautiful destinations. From there, we step into the kitchen, and this is where the Insane Motorhome truly flexes its muscles. This is not a small kitchenette squeezed into a corner. This is a full-scale, open luxury kitchen that rivals what you'd find in a five-star hotel. Expansive countertops, high-end cabinets, built-in ovens, and a large cooking island with bar stools for casual dining. Tables are set with plates, glasses, and cutlery ready for a feast. On one side, a massive refrigerator stands tall, proudly carrying the Insane Motorhome logo. Every appliance, every shelf, every piece of cookware is premium. Next, let's talk about the driver cockpit. This is where innovation meets comfort. The cockpit is designed with a wide panoramic windshield that gives the driver a breathtaking view of the road ahead. Imagine driving through a winding mountain road, the scenery unfolding before you like a movie. The seats are made of premium leather. The dashboard is sleek with digital displays, and the steering controls are futuristic yet practical. The lighting is warm and subtle, avoiding the cold, overly technical feel of some modern designs. And then, we can't forget the rooftop terrace, the third-level illusion that makes this motorhome so unique. Up here, you'll find a beautifully designed open space with glass railings, elegant flooring, and lush green plants in designer pots. It's a rooftop garden lounge where you can sit back, breathe in the fresh air, and enjoy panoramic views of nature. Whether it's sunrise over the mountains or sunset by the ocean, this rooftop is the perfect place to relax and feel connected to the world around you. Now let's circle back to the exterior. The 2026 Insane Upcoming Motorhome is a marvel of design. Its metallic gold and silver bodywork, its futuristic curves, and its commanding presence make it one of the most beautiful motorhomes ever created. In terms of performance, it's built with a powerful engine that delivers both speed and efficiency, ensuring that long journeys are smooth and enjoyable. The average fuel performance is impressive for a vehicle of this size, making it practical as well as luxurious. This motorhome is being developed for a global audience, but it's especially tailored for markets like the United States, where road trips are part of the culture. The launch is expected to create a huge buzz, and many celebrities are already showing interest. In fact, imagine someone like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson eyeing this motorhome as his next luxury purchase. With his love for travel, fitness, and larger-than-life lifestyle, the Insane Motorhome seems like a perfect fit. And who knows, maybe he'll be the first to drive one of these onto a Hollywood set. So what about you? When are you planning to get your own Insane Motorhome? Let me know in the comments below. Before we wrap up, let me share a little perspective. Motorhomes have come a long way in history. From simple campers to these futuristic luxury palaces, the 2026 Insane Upcoming Motorhome is not just another step forward, it's a leap into the future of travel. It combines engineering, design, and lifestyle into one extraordinary package. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop the name of your favorite motorhome in the comments so we can feature it in a future video. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.